Okay, so here we go. We're just going to take our GoPro here and we have it in the normal way, screen facing forward. We got the on button and the screen on top. You just want to pick it up, press the button in the back, and hold it for about 8 to 9 seconds. And you should see something come up there. There we go. Can you see that? Reset, no, yes. And you're just going to press this button once. And then you can see that it goes over to yes. And then you click this button. Resetting. Wi-Fi settings reset. And there's the confirmation. So that's it. It's really that simple. Again, I told you it would only take a few seconds. These cameras are great. They serve so many purposes. I shoot everything pretty much for this channel with a GoPro. Now, I get a lot of questions on what cameras I use. Certainly people are interested in the GoPros and so forth, so I'm going to try to do a few more videos on tips and tricks with them. Just some helpful little things, especially if you're just getting into using the GoPro, or even if you've had it for a while, because what tends to happen is you use the same features on it all the time, so you're not really messing with the camera too much. So, again, if this was helpful, be sure to hit that like and share button. Comment down below if you have any questions or comments, of course. And be sure to hit that subscribe button. I certainly appreciate you guys watching SK Lifestyle, and we'll see you guys next time. To the GoPros, I have a regular GoPro, I have the Session, just because I have a lot of questions. Alright, that can be the blooper.